Hello guys, today current affairs from the Hindu newspaper. First, the special intensive revision of electoral rolls was recently started in Odisha, Mizoram, Sikkim and Manipur. Second, the enumeration phase of SIR will continue till 28 June. Third, the CBSE on-screen marking platform controversy is primarily related to data exposure and cybersecurity vulnerability. Fourth, Nisarga Adhikari, who exposed vulnerability in CBSE platform, is known as ethical hacker. Which of the following areas is part of the India-Nepal boundary dispute? Limpiadhura. Lipu Lake Pass is significant because it is an India-Nepal-China tri-junction. Seventh, who has recently assumed charge as India's third Chief of Defence Staff? That is General N.S. Raja Subramani. The Department of Military Affairs was created in 2019. Ninth, Admiral Krishna Swaminathan has recently become the Chief of Naval Staff. 10th, human trafficking cannot be separated from broader migration flows observed by Supreme Court of India. Human trafficking and migration were recently discussed by Supreme Court. 12th, India shares approximately how much border length with Myanmar? That is 1640 km. 13. Myanmar is important to India's Act East policy. 14th. Betty Cooper recently in news is UK Foreign Secretary. 15th. The only wild habitat of Asiatic lions is Gir National Park. 16th. The scientific name of Asiatic lion is Panthera leo persica. 17th. NFHS stands for National Family Health Survey. 18th. According to NFH 6 findings in Maharashtra which indicated increase, that is obesity. 19th. According to Prison Statistics 2024, under trials constitute approximately 73%. 20. Which states reported among the highest proportions of under trial prisoners, that is Delhi and Bihar. 24. Which among the following is not a component of Jai Vision, that is the indigenization. 25th. Child labor rescue drive was recently conducted in Bihar. WASP 94AB is exoplanet. 27. WASP 94AB belongs to which category? That is a hot Jupiter. 28. James Webb Space Telescope is primarily used for deep space observation. 29. CEPA negotiation recently revived between India and Canada. 30. India and Canada have set a bilateral trade target of